To discuss the representation of your polynomials. In previous section we have to discuss the representation of the polynomial. Now we have to see how the operation in the polynomial will be performed, like your addition or multiplication or a subtraction also possible. Operation on polynomial. So different polynomial operation like your addition, subtraction and multiplication will be done using the linked list. But here we have to show how the addition we have to done. Suppose the polynomials is there, two polynomial are there. Suppose we have to represent this polynomial as a linked list. Then you have to know having each list having three parts. One is your exponent, next is your coefficient, and this point to the next node. Here 5 is the coefficient and 4 is the exponent. This point to the next node. Next here see, this is -3 and 2 coefficient and exponent. Okay, next this is 4 and 1, this is your coefficient and this is your exponent. Okay, then next list is 8. Suppose this is x to the power 0, that is coefficient, and 0 is the exponent. This is the last node of a linked list. Okay, so this polynomial is represented by using a linked list, coefficient, exponent, then this is the last node, then the link part. Okay, so this is your the next this node. How to represent this node? This is your 6 coefficient, exponent 5, next node -4 3, then this is linked to 2 coefficient, exponent, and this is your last node. Okay, so this is your representation of your linked list. This polynomial is represented by using the linked list. One important thing is there, you always write this polynomial according to the increasing order of their exponent. If it is not in the increasing order, first you arrange the polynomial in the increasing order of their exponent, then you represent it using the linked list, because always you have to store the increasing order first exponent, next exponent, next. In this way you have to store. Okay, so in the addition, what is the rule of the polynomial addition? If the exponent are matches, we have to perform the addition. Okay, so I am showing what is the result if you adding the two polynomial, what is the result and how to store. First I am showing this, then we have to discuss how the algorithm will be right. Okay, see here, and also the result is also written in the increasing order of their exponent or not. Okay, so see here exponent is 8, so we cannot find any exponent matches to the polynomial 2. Suppose this is your polynomial 1 and this is your polynomial 2, so this is your 8 and no matches will be find. That means this is same as it is 1 8, x8 is present here. Next exponent is 5. Okay, next highest is 5 and we cannot find any 5 here, so that this is also as it is, that is x5. Next see, next is 4, but you cannot find any matches, that means this is also 5, then 4 exponent. Next 3, exponent 3, no matches will be found, that means this is also -4 and 3. Okay, next see, this is 2 and 2 polynomial are same exponent, that means we have to add these two polynomial, -3 plus 2, then what is the result? Result is -1 and the exponent is 2 or not. Okay, then 1, exponent 1, no matches will be found, then that is 4 1. Okay, similarly 8, constant, no constant is there, that means 8 and 0, this is the last. Okay, so this is your resultant polynomial, and from this resultant polynomial we also find what? X to the power 8 plus 5 x to the power 6 x to the power 5 plus 5 x to the power 4. Okay, next is -4 x cube plus minus plus minus minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 1 x square, then 4x plus 8, that is the polynomial x to the power 5, 5x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 1 x square, 4x, 4 1 will be stored, and 8 0. So that is your polynomial addition. Next we discuss how to perform this addition. So the structure is defined. First we define the node. As you know, this node having 3 parts. One is your what? Suppose I am defining a coefficient part, another is exponent part, next is your what? Stroke node star link part. Okay, coefficient, exponent, then link part, then head will be defined. This is your definition of a node with respect to your polynomials. Okay, we have to define the node with respect to the polynomial having coefficient, exponent, link, and the head. Next, suppose two polynomial are there. This is two polynomial are there. So for two polynomial, we take two head. Suppose head 1 and head 2. And what is the resultant polynomial? Resultant polynomial, suppose I am taking another head 3 will be stored. This is suppose head 1 store, head 2 store, and this is head 3 will be stored the resultant polynomial. Then I am assigning what? Polynomial addition. Addition I am passing what? Polynomial 1 and polynomial 2. Okay, two polynomial will be passed. Then I am assigning suppose one least 1 equal to head 1 and one least 2 equal to head 2. That means what? Head 1 will be head to the polynomial 1 linked list, and head 2 will be head for the polynomial 2 linked list. So I am storing least 1 and least 2 as head 1 and head 2. So this is this is your polynomial representation of a linked list. I am storing head 1 and another polynomial head 2. Okay, then what happen? I am assigning one least 1 to head 1 and least 2 to head 2. Then check, we have to traverse each polynomial. That means I am checking if least 1 is not equal to null, and also least 2 is not equal to null. Okay, we have to traverse this. I am giving one least 1. Okay, here I am starting least 2. So I am traversing up to find the null address. So least 1 not equal to null and least 2 not equal to null. Then you have to check here if the least 1 exponent equal to least 2 exponent. If the exponent will be matches, then you have to perform the addition expression. So that condition you have to write here. Then you have to checking if the exponent will be matches. If the exponent will be matches, then you have to add these two. That means the new node coefficient, and the new node we have to store the least 1 coefficient plus least 2 coefficient. If the exponent matches, see, suppose this exponent are matches 2 2. Then what happen? We have to add these two coefficient, least 1 coefficient and least 2 coefficient. So here see, I am adding least 1 coefficient and least 2 coefficient, and this coefficient will be stored new node coefficient. And what is the new node exponent? As the exponent are same, so that you have to take either least 1 exponent and also least 2 exponent. So anyone we have to take, no problem. So for exponent we have to take anyone, but this coefficient we have to add these two coefficient, least 1 coefficient plus least 2 coefficient. Then after doing this new node, then we have to increase both the list. Least 1 will be increased and also least 2 will be increased. So if the coefficient will be matches, we perform the addition operation and both link will be updated. Then in the else condition what happen? In the else condition what happen? If we check for the least 1 exponent and least 2 exponent, if it is greater than, if least 1 exponent is greater than your least 2 exponent, if least 1 exponent is greater than your least 2 exponent, if it is greater than, then what happen? The new node coefficient will be stored least 1 coefficient, which is greater than you have to store, because you have to store only the sorted order. See here, suppose this is, you have to compare. If this is greater than 8 is greater than 5, that means we have to store first this node. That means we have to store least 1 coefficient in the new node coefficient, and exponent also least 1 exponent, and only least 1 will be increment because this is already stored in the new node. Okay, similarly else for this if least 2 exponent is greater. Okay, if least 2 exponent is greater, then what happens? See here, the suppose this exponent and this exponent, least 2 exponent is greater, that means the new linked list will be stored this node first. Okay, that means if this condition is not satisfied, that means least 2 exponent is greater, then new node coefficient will be stored least 2 coefficient, and new node exponent will be stored the least 2 exponent. The greater value will be stored first, and the least 2 will be then increment. In this way we have to compare. If it is equal, then addition will be performed. If it is greater than, only store that node coefficient and that node exponent. Similarly, if it is least 2 greater than, least 2 coefficient and least 2 exponent, and only that least part will be increment. Otherwise, if addition will be performed, both the least part will be increment. So this is your, this else will be now end here. Okay, then the result will be so. So according to the algorithm, if you run this, list 1 will be head 1 and list 2 will be head 2, and if it is not null, I have to perform. So first it compare with these two nodes, and this is greater, then where the new list will be stored, what the new list will be stored 1 8 and this value. Okay, 1 8 and null. Okay, next another list will be stored, what then this will be compared to this. When this will be compared to this, then this will be stored, this will be to store. So you have to insert here 6 5. Okay, similar way we have to further up to we find the same exponent. If we find the same exponent and add it. Okay, this is the final list after the addition. Okay, so next your task is perform the polynomial multiplication, and task for you is multiplication of polynomials using linked list. Okay, do it by yourself.